Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can open up a virtual card on Wise Transfer. So firstly open up your browser and log into your Wise account. Then when you reach your home page, if you haven't already created this account, what you have to do is just simply click on the button shown in your screen somewhere in the middle which says something like send money or receive money. Just simply click on receive money and add an account to whatever currency you may like. And after that, when you are completed with that process, you will find that there are few more columns added to your home page, from which are accounts and jars. And now what you have to do is just simply click on open a jar. Now here are a few details about the jar feature. This basically means that you can save money or store money. So after reading all of the information, just simply click open a jar, then choose the logo of your liking, then choose the name, then choose a currency, then press confirm. So after the procedure is over, your jar is completed. Now you can simply add or withdraw money to your liking, and you can also say that this jar is also a virtual card. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.